let me explain what my little 2D render engine actually does. This is daily progress on pins and curves. So for a couple days, I've been working on the rewrite of my little 2D render engine. And what's been bugging me a little bit is that I don't know if I'm using that term correctly, render engine. And I figured maybe instead of worrying about the definitions, I'll just try to explain to you in non-technical terms what the problem is that I'm trying to solve with this thing I call render engine. So in my motion design editor, I need to draw pixels to the screen 60 times a second. And now inside of my code base, I describe what should be seen on the screen in terms of motion design concepts. So I have a data structure that consists of layers, and on layer 1 you might have a circle and you might have applied a blur effect to that circle, and so what you want to see is a blurred circle. When I actually want to turn that description into pixels, I need to go through the GPU. And the GPU doesn't understand motion design concepts. It doesn't know what layers are or effects are or any of that stuff. The GPU speaks a different, lower level language. It understands the world in terms of resources, such as shader programs, textures, uniform buffers, vertex buffers, and other things like that. Now the thing that I call render engine is essentially a wrapper around your GPU that is responsible for translation. It takes a description of what you want to see on the screen in terms of motion design concepts, like layers, effects, etc. And it figures out what to actually tell the GPU, how to orchestrate resources and commands in order to make that happen. And so I think that kind of captures the essence of what I'm trying to achieve. But if you're curious, I can dig down into some other details as well. Let me know below. See you tomorrow.